I thought I had wasted my money on this bird feeder. And then I opened my windows this morning, and what do I see? The birds are sitting on the bird feeder. This is so cute. This is a mushroom bird feeder. It's solar powered and it lights up at night. It is so cute. But I was just thinking, geez, I put that up there a few weeks ago, but I guess they had to come out in their season and come find it. Super cute. I can hear the birds now with the screen open. I love it. I put a link here if you want to get one.